If you want anything traditional, take back home as a souvenir, you come to this place. Cut, no. Tafaoga, and welcome to this new edition of the Samoa Tourism Tour Guiding Show of 2020. Today we will take you on a tour of the northeastern coast of Upolu Island, where most parts are significant with conservation and culture. And to guide us is one of our most experienced tour guides from Samoa Scenic, Mr. Yoedu Sua. Talofa Yoedu. Malolawa lang yung mama sa ipo manuian le ilaw sunga. Yeah. O sa isang noa ole so si la fia ilea pitola awolo o fatinoina ila to wolo o fapion fafoina Tafaoga ia mamai moanga la le tau
time of si le tu fatak yeah it's a great opportunity. It's very fun, it's dramatic, it's everything, you know, but you have to have the self-respect for others, for the attraction you're going to. You have to all that, you know. Some of the attractions that we go to have rules and laws you have to follow, but it's fun. Working for Samoa Scenic Tours for almost 10 years now, it's been great, you know. A lot of experience, different perspectives of everything.
That's right. You know, it's one of the most entertaining things that keeps me going, you know, as a tour guide as well, is, you know, it's not just sharing our experience, it's a give and take, right? You also get your experience from your guests or your clients. But anyway, so moving along, you're looking smart with your nice shirt there.
Thank you, man. Thank you for Eveni for providing the shirt. Yeah. And you too, bro. You look old.
But anyway, you know, so we're heading on a tour, like I said. Can you just give us a brief overview of what we're covering today?
So far, this is our first stop so far at Ep2 tour. We're going to be going to the waterfall behind us. And then we're going to be covering Piula Cave Pool, going up to Falefa Waterfall.
Yes.
And then we're going to be going to Uafato or Whangaloa Conservation Area, where the tooth-bill pigeon will be rare species of bird that will be catching there. And also we're going to be, the last view of the day, we're going to be at the Lemafa Pass.
Nice.
Some beautiful view from up there in the mountains.
That sounds like a great plan for us. What's so significant about this place?
It's very unique for the members of the Latter-day Saints, so the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. It was founded in 1902. By some of the missionaries that came here to Samoa back in 1888. That's when the missionaries got here to Samoa. And so far as other churches that came here to Samoa. A beautiful place, and also a beautiful waterfall they kept back there that we'll be going to next. And also we have some rules and laws about the waterfall. Yep. And also for the compound itself, we have some rules about it. You're not allowed to go with no shirt around. It's a church thing, and also no smoking.
No alcohol.
No alcohol. Sorry guys, no alcohol, no smoking.
So Sauniatu, off the main coast road,
yes,
is about 6 or 7 kilometers.
Around 7 kilometer drive from up here.
Up to the mountains, right? And it's a quite isolated place, you know, very peaceful. If you wanna, you know, get away from town, get away from a busy life, this is where you come to, Sauniatu. The thing about this spot, I've noticed they have a very good firm staircase, and you know the railings.
The railings are good, yeah.
Pretty awesome.
It's very safe. It's very safe, yeah. People around here, you can. There's different places where you can jump from. Like my friend there is going to be jumping for us.
Yeah,
Ep2. Not far from here, about 10-15 minutes from the drive from here, all the way down to Piula Kepu, down to the
That's a
northeast.
very famous swimming
Swimming pool,
spot.
yeah.
Yes. Good.
Sorry, hỗ trợ vai ngắt luôn. Look at this. Hey, it never,
This never gets old, man.
never gets old, man.
This is Piula.
Piula
And
spring water pool. Yeah.
like almost every, swimming spot or, waterfall in Samoa, there's always a history to it.
Oh yeah, it's actually run by the Methodist Church. As we came along down this way, it's been here back since 1868, founded by the Methodist Church.
That's right.
The spring water itself, it's coming underneath from that cave there, as you can see. Yeah.
And then look at that, it's like crystal clear water.
Yeah.
You can see the bottom, there's fish inside.
Yeah.
But we're gonna be checking out how cool it is, after the busy work, after doing a hike or whatever.
Yeah, you need a refreshment, man. Fresh enough. Yeah.
And the people here have actually done a great job, with all the fales and
During the holidays, because a lot of people, they come, not only the tourists coming in, but also for public people or families that come here and have their picnics around here, their barbecue and stuff like that for all the youth. So it's a good place to come here.
So Piula is actually a name
It's
derived
from the biblical name Peula. Peula.
like married to the Lord, right?
Married to the Lord, or some other name, mystical place. The Methodist Church where the swimming pool is underneath, that's the oldest Methodist church of all. You paint the whole thing, you furnish it, but still the same building from back in the 1800s. Going out for two whatever. Tafaoga, so it's about 20-25 steps all the way down. So just watch your step all the way down. Have the railings there. Times it rains, it's slippery. So take your time. Hey, Tafaoga waterfall. It was believed it was used as a port back in the days for trading. Yeah. It was believed to be used as a port back in the days for trading. That's why Falefa is actually the Asian capital back in the days. So. But nowadays, just the natural waterfall flowing straight to the ocean. Yeah, when you talk about mud crabs, this is where it is. All right, we're here now, a beautiful place up here on the mountains of Whangalo. We're going to be checking out the Whangalo Bay and some of the villages. And also the main reason why we're here, we're going to be checking out the conservation at Uafato.
It's the bird watching site.
Yeah, bird watching, yeah.
That's right.
That's where we're going to see the manu mea, the rare bird of Samoa. And also it's a rare place where you can see it, so hopefully we get to see one today. We're going to be doing a little bit of walk everywhere, but a little bit of hiking, but we're going to be there, all right?
All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
To reflect, yeah. Sometimes when it rains, it feels like it was sent. Sometimes when it rains, it feels like I'm talking to God, sharing my moments of pain, catching us when we're falling like the earth when it rains. His eyes starts watering, filling up slowly with tears like the clouds before it starts crying when its colors appear. Don't let it break your spirit. Drinking that miracle liquid until your speech appears. Until we speak in tongue, the alcohol whispers cheers, drowning away all your sorrows, wash away all your hurt. The hurt you are trying to nurse, reflection in street puddles, looking up from its dirt. Lock down all your hustles and whatever types of work. Food for your brain muscles, rooftop off your church. Astering sounding like marching drums before it bursts. Mouth down to its juices, super love any monsoon. Just treat it like a sun shower passing through. Sometimes when it rains, all types of rain, whatever bad weather's in front, right in front of you, you can still see right through it. You can still see right through. Sometimes when it rains, it feels like it was sent to wash away all the pain, to give it time to reflect.
So, Chelu, we're now here at Whangaloa.
Yeah, we're here at
Uafato,
Uafato Bird High Trail.
We've got our, it's an overcast looking day, so we've got our umbrellas ready.
Yeah, your sport shoes. Yeah, your attire. You have to wear shoes because it's raining out here.
Yeah,
so.
it's going to be slippery up there.
Yeah,
So,
but here we are at the Uafato Bird High Trail. We're going to be walking for about 20-25 minutes. It's an 800-meter long trail, approximately 25 minutes. All right. This conservation area is 2,500 acres. It stretches from the coral reefs of Uafato all the way up to the Malata mountain or elevation on my right here. Some of the rules: no smoking, no littering, no hunting on native birds and bats. But here you're also lucky if you get to see the fruit bats here in Samoa. And also we're going to see some of the native birds like the se'u or the fantail. But mainly we're going to be walking and looking out for our tooth-billed pigeon or manu mea, our rarest bird. So we're going to be bird watching today, all right?
Hello, ka ko mo mai nunga I fai ba ai, nunga I Uafato. Ne lo mai ka o ko pe le ya no de le o ka tua. Ali je.
Yeah, so here we are, a well situated place. You can see the lost vegetation outside.
Right.
Where you can actually see some birds.
Yeah, well, it's not the perfect weather. You know, it's
raining.
pouring as we hike that, but in Samoa, you never know what to expect with the weather. And likewise all over the world.
Yeah, unpredictable weather everywhere, man.
But I feel like it's gonna change pretty soon, so we'll give it about 5 minutes.
We'll see what happens.
That's right. Yeah, leo mafatasi atu nei male sunga ya rohia. Rohia lea sa fai ma ta yala le matou sa malinga mai lunga nei falma ai. Yeah, rohia. Wa o lea te lala nei wa fatu. Se isa mo o le tulanga le manu le ka o manu ma ko manu le. O wa so ko wa te ni masana na ba ye no ni. Kaya sing sing iya. O ani la awe masanya na ba ay. Ya, apela el wa time wa aso be ele mafayo na on taumatic e el time wa ko Wow.
Beautiful breeze. Everything is green.
This is Le Mafa Pass.
Yeah, this is Le Mafa Pass.
We're like what, 300 meters above sea
Yeah,
level?
300 meters above sea
You
level.
can feel the cool breeze coming through.
Yeah.
Beautiful views of the Palefa Valley, you know, with these rolling hills, all that green. I would say almost every shade of green you can see here. You know?
Well, when we talk about eco, you know, eco tourism, no, this is it, you know, this is Samoa.
That's the real thing.
Yeah.
Le Mafa, that's where we're at, and along the northeastern drive, heading towards Salipata. Make sure you come and you stop here, all right?
That's right, don't miss it.
Don't it feel good when you take a toe, catch it through the wind, breezing like that Parisian smoke? Got me on a different note, holler when you see me, I ain't snobby like the rest, you know the deal, pour it out, time to chase the sunset. East 99 cassette banging in my tape deck, bottle of Paluas, I be riding with the crew, serve a dime, a massage in the back of my garage. Mr. Nasty Time as I let my phone charge, light it to the herb, say word, I got that skunk, let it burn and vibe out to the humble-fied funk, get up and let your head nod. And don't forget to check your problems at the mailbox. Matter of fact, bring up rocks if you slide it through. Break out the celly, maybe holler at a dime or two. And yeah, they cruising from the west to the south side. Do it like this, pimp him like Nacho. Little hub, big kiss. Fine day, sun shining through the hood, chilling with my fan Bino. Yes, indeed, I'm feeling good. Head banging like it's whiplash.
Well, that concludes another part of our show, and I'd like to thank my brother here, Faftai.
Hey, you're welcome, man. It's been a pleasure. Take you guys around.
Your experience on the road today is just, you know, like I said, no words.
Thank you,
for
man.
sharing your experience with us today, and also to your employers, the people at Samoa Scenic Tours.
You're welcome, man.
For allowing you to be part of the show. Anyway, thanks to everyone as well, at the managers of the different sites that we visited, also people at Samoa Tourism Authority. Yeah, whawhatai lava for making this show possible. But before we go, next week, you don't want to miss it, we're going to continue our journey down Alipata Way, where we will have beautiful beaches, swimming spots, all for your viewing. And I'm Tai of Tai's Native Experience, and you're watching Tafaoga. Experience our beautiful Samoa.
We family.